Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the quarterly flash with Osisko Development on Commodity TV. Osisko Development is looking good, which the share price has not yet noticed, as is the case with so many other good companies. They sold 3,830 ounces gold as part of the preliminary work for the mine's start. They sold 1,576 ounces gold from the Trixie test mine located on the company's larger Tintic project and 1,244 ounces gold from the San Antonio gold project by processing stockpiles using heap leaching and 1,010 ounces gold from the Cariboo gold project by processing stockpiles at a third-party processing facility. The revenue was $10.8 million, which was generated at a cost of sales of $11.4 million. As of 30th June, the company had cash of approximately $86 million. This is solid, but will not be enough to build everything up to that point. At Tintic in the US, they were able to complete about 85% of the 1,390 meters of the portal and expect to have the decline ramp to the main 625 feet level completed by the third quarter of 2023. The goal is to increase processing capacity to 500 tons per day. During the quarter, the company continued underground exploration and delineation activities on the existing Trixie deposit, with 2 diamond drill rigs operating as part of the 2023 underground infill and exploration program, targeting a total of 5,000 meters. By 30th June this year, a total of 4,415 meters in 56 holes had been drilled with very good results. The company is currently working on an updated resource estimate for the Trixie deposit to include the new 2023 drill results and the remaining 2022 drilling that was not included in the Tintic technical report due to delays in lab testing. We should see a great resource increase here by the end of the year. An initial regional surface diamond drilling campaign to explore the potential for copper-gold molybdenum porphyry mineralization, particularly in the Big Hill area, is expected to begin in the next few months. For the Cariboo Gold Project, 2 landmark permitting agreements, the process charter and the Joint Information Requirement Table, which reaffirm the multilateral support and commitment of the various levels of British Columbia government, were signed to advance the permitting process for the Cariboo Gold Project. The company also undertook several electrification initiatives at the project in partnership with BC Hydro Clean BC Industry Fund and the Clean BC Facilities Electrification Fund, which are important steps in supporting the company's efforts in reducing the carbon footprint of the Cariboo Gold Project. The potential Cariboo development is expected to provide a foundation for a future mining district with the development of multiple deposits over several sections totaling approximately 80 kilometers of mineralization. The company anticipates that the environmental assessment will be completed in the third quarter of 2023 and permits issued by the end of the first quarter of 2024, which is consistent with the timeline set out in the process charter. They are moving greatly forward. The San Antonio gold project in Mexico has been able to sell a total of almost 12,800 net ounces of gold from the San Antonio heap leach field by 30th June since processing start of stockpiles in the first quarter of 2022. On 29th April, the Mexican Senate approved a far-reaching reform of the mining law, including requiring companies to transfer a certain percentage of their profits to various stakeholders. The new mining law reduces the maximum duration of concessions from 50 to 30 years and may allow authorities to cancel concessions if no work is carried out on them within 2 years. Well, I think we do not have any stress here with Osisko Development because they are hyperactive. The company is monitoring the situation closely and will continue to evaluate the potential impact on its Mexican assets. Osisko Development looks very good and the stock is way too cheap. The point-and-figure chart has hit a double low at $5 Canadian and we see a great entry opportunity here. An initial price target in a counter reaction should be $8 to $9 Canadian. From the resulting buy formation then, prices around $15 Canadian should then be possible. You will also find all information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything about commodities. Please note the following disclaimer. We appreciate a like, of course, and more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channels on YouTube or directly on Commodity TV. The stocks discussed are part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate and I'm a shareholder in the company. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Austria today.